Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll be completing the particular project so that we have been started with the to-do app. This is also a project which we have been doing from last 19 videos. So you can access the particular playlist in the link is mentioned in the description below. So here we started at the 11th particular video of the month stack course. So here with this particular project we'll be completing in this video. So here what we are doing here is you can see we can do the add operation is done, delete operation has been done, we need to do the update operation and all those things. So this is the only thing is left inside this project, and almost all the stuffs we have been covered. So now coming back to my VS Code editor, so just on the server from the backend as well as the front end, so we need to do with the particular stuff right now. So coming back to my to-dos.js file, here we need to do the particular stuffs. So here we need to create the edit operation. We'll be creating the edit operation with this, because my edit operation will be going as a props to the to-do item, that is you can see the update to do. So this update to do will be work whenever I click onto this edit button. Whenever I click onto this edit button, the update is going to work. Why? How? By doing this to do, that is to do dot update dot to do. This is a thing which has been coming from the props. So props is coming from where? It is coming from the to-dos. So here we need to just work with the to-dos right now. So here we have been defined the ref, and we have been used the particular ref close. So that is used for the reference and for closing the reference over here. So next, here is the user type. So here we need to just create the particular const. I'll just tell const, I'll just maintain update the particular to do. So what it does means it will take the particular current to do. So I'll just tell current current todo to do. So it is going to take the particular current to do. So this current to do, what it does means, as an object I'll just write the particular function that is here. So I'll just tell ref dot. So I'll just use this reference whichever is been used. So null, right? So the user reference, the initial value has been assigned to null, that is for the reference. I'll just tell ref dot current. So I'll just tell whenever it is been clicked, okay, dot click it, click whenever it is been clicked. So what I need to do, so I need to just say what is I need to, after once it is clicked, I want to just run one particular use state. So I will just define the particular use state. So I'll just tell const. So here is the const. I'll just tell I need to have the to do, then I need to have the set to do over here. So I need to have the to do as well as the set to do as my two props, sorry, the use state. So here I'll be using the use state over here, use state. So here I need to just give the default values over here. So I'll be giving the default value for id. I'll just make it as an empty. Then I'll just give the title, eitle title. So title I'll just define it as empty. Then almost I'll just keep it for the task. So I need to have to define the task as a simply as nothing. I'll just tell is complete. Okay, is complete to nothing. I'll just keep the default value to it. So once it has been done, so I can just use this one. So now I'll just say whenever I'm updating the particular to do, so what I'll just do, I'll just set the particular to do to the current values. So I'll just use the whatever the to dos will be there, that I need to just set it for the current value. So what are the current values? So this all my current values will be there. So I'll just type at once. So this will be the id, that will be the current dot id, and current dot title task is equal to current dot task, and is complete is equal to current dot is complete. So this current to do we are going to pass. So this is where we need to just pass here is, so same way. So I have been used as a on click function somewhere. So I'll just go here. So I need to use these two stuff same as it is. I'll just copy these two things. I'll just come back to my to dos. I'll just use these two steps. Like whenever I do the changes, it should go to the set to do. E.target should be set to E.value. Whenever I'll just handle the click, it should stop the refreshing the page. Here what I need to do here is, here I need to use the edit to do. So here I'll just get the edit to do also, edit to do from the particular function. So I'll just use the edit to do over here. So from the context I'm getting the edit to do. So whenever it is happen, I want to just edit the particular to do. I'll just tell edit to do is equal to, I'll just tell to do dot title. Then first I need to set the to do dot id, to do dot id comma to do dot id comma to do dot title comma to do dot task comma to do dot is complete, to do dot is complete. Okay, I want to just set these particular values. Then what I need to do, once it has been set, I want to just refresh the page as well as close it. I'll just tell ref close here. So I have been initialized here ref close, you can just see. So this I'll just change, and I'll make the particular reference to null over here. That is what I'll just do. Ref close to refroze dot current dot click. So I'll be using the refroze current dot click. Once it should get clicked, and the should make the null values over here. So only this is the one thing I need to touch to it over here. So here we are doing the add to do. So basically I need to define one particular model right now. So now I need to create one button. So I need to just create one button. So whenever I click, one particular model should get pop up. So for that one, I'll just create one particular button to it. So that button will be what? The button will be the particular pop-up button. So this is the button. So I'll just copy this much. So I'll just use this one. So what it happens means, whenever I click onto that particular button, so that is a model, one example model will get popped up. Okay, so this example model will get popped up. So you can see this is, I am just using this particular in the getbootstrap.com will be having that particular model. I'll just search where it is. So I'll just go to the docs. So here I'll go to the component. Here you can just see somewhere we'll be having a model. So here we have a model. So you can see here is a model. If I just close it, will just go. And if I just click onto the launch model, I'm getting one particular model, right? So this is the model I have just copied and I have just pasted over here. Okay, so this is the one model I have been pasted. So that is the name I'll be giving as a to do. Then along the same bit, I'll just give one of the div class where then I need to just copy this one. So what I need to just copy this particular entire model. So after copying the entire model, I need to just change the particular class name, and I need to just change the particular class name as well as whatever there is a class is there, we need to make it as a class name. Then all those things we need to do. So what I'll do, I'll just do it in a second and I'll just come back. So okay, so I have completed the particular stuff. So now what I have added here is, you can see these all the things I have been, because I not wanted to make the lengthy video. So code anyways I'll be providing you at the description. You can see what is the thing I have been done over here. So what I have done here is, we have added a button. So it is a ref, so which is being taken as a ref. Whenever I click, ref is going to perform. So what is my ref? So ref is nothing but this is the thing it is going to perform. That is a ref dot click will be happens. Here you can see ref will be clicked. Use value, use reference will be null over there. Now what it should happen here is, so whenever I launch, it will launch the particular model. Basically I have copied this module over here. This model I have just copied and I have added the few of the changes. So what it happens means, basically we'll be having a title. Just I have been provided a title label. Then here I wanted to do what? ID I have given as a e.id, e.title. Values should be what? The current value of the particular to do. So whatever the current value of the to do will be there, that should be there. So here you see we are just passing a to do, right? Whenever I click onto the where is it, edit item, whenever I click onto the to do, edit to do, it is going to take that to do, right? So that particular to do value is going to pass over here. That is a to do dot title as well as a to do dot length, all those things that is going to pass. That is a pass. So whenever I do the changes, so whenever I do the changes now, it should change the particular e task, to do dot e task. That is nothing but this one. So see here we have been added. So here you see, whenever I just set whatever the value will be there, that is going to set. So that is going to set it to the to do dot title to sorry, the to do dot title to do dot task to do whenever it is been, whenever I click onto the edit operations. Okay, so whenever I do for the edit operation, that is going to work. Then you see here we are updating to the e title, e task as well as the is complete, because current value is there, that will be there itself. Whenever I typing something, at that time the value is going to just store it into the e title, e task as well as the e complete. So it is the value I am iterating over here, to do dot e title. Same way ed.1. So on change functions, you know, so is on change value, id, name. So these four things have been said already inside that add to do. Or whenever I have said, I have been said over there what it is going to do. Again, I'm not going to repeat the same stuff. So you can just see in the thing. So now once it has been done, now the main strings comes under whenever I click onto the edit. Whenever I do the change, here I'm just checking condition when the button should be enabled, that is update to do should be enabled when I am having at least length at least of 5 character. I'll just make it as a 3. I'll just here also I'll just make it as a 3. When it is done, whenever I click, it should work what the handle function. When the handle click function works, what is going to happen here is this function is going to happen. It will default and it will set it into my state, that is a to do state. You can see is going to this operation. It will be going to the edit operation. It will take all the values and it is going to perform it. Okay, then it will be close the particular status. So I'll just save all this. So once I save, coming back to my to do state, if I just refresh, so it is working. If I click on to here, you can see it is not happening anything. So if I right click, and see console, so see here, whenever I click onto this, I am getting an error. So that is what update to do is not a function I am getting. Okay, so the update to do is not a function, I am getting it over here. Let me see what is an issue. Update to do is not in a function. So this is coming from to do item, right? To do item is coming over here. So here to do is a update dot function is not an item. So it is just, so update to do is not a function, it is just giving me. So here what I need to do here is I need to just set up the particular function, that is the update function. So in my to do item, so let me check any errors have been added. So whenever I click onto it, it should handle the on click and it should work with the update to do, that is the to do should work. Then we have been initiated the update to do from the props. So coming back to the to do's dot item, from coming at the to do's dot item here. So here what it is we need to do, we have navigated, we have added the context, and we have just set the edit to do, and we have just got the context from all this. Then what else we have in the user effect, that is going to navigate all the stuffs. Then we have added the reference to it. So here you see update to do is not working, we have not added somewhere update to do. So update to do we have not added, so this is we need to just say it here. So where somewhere here I am format. Okay, I think I need to click on to, I need to give it to the particular form, I guess. So update to do, so if I just search update to do, so is here and here. Okay, great. I forgot to specify over here. So here you see when I am just passing my props to do items, when I am passing my to do items, here I need to give it here update to do is equal to update to do. I need to just pass it, I need to just pass this value. I'll just save it. Once I save, coming back here, if I refresh, all the things work. Now if I try to click onto here, so you can see the model has been getting launched over here. Okay, so all the things has been getting matched, so all the stuff has been done. So basically if you want to see the code, you can see, you can just stop it over here. If you want to type it manually, so I have been stopped over here, you can just type it till here. Then you can just type from here to here, same as it is. Then same here to here you need to type as it is, and same here to here you need to type as it is. So till here you need to type it, so where it will be getting closed, modal.footer, everything. So better than, so I have been showing you the video, even the this code I'll be providing, this code I'll be providing you in the description also, or else the particular entire stuff, or else simply just go here and copy these particular stuffs and edit the particular class names, that's it. Okay, same thing will be there. Okay, if you want to save the time. So this is done. So now coming back here, let me try, I want to just edit Django 123, Django 123. I want to just tell it is completed, update that to do is been updated. If I refresh, so you can see I'm getting Django. Okay, it is not updating, so something has been wrong, it is not working properly. What is the issue? Let me check. So see, if I just refresh, all the things works, right? So yeah, so now what I need to do here is I want to just update, right? So I want to just update it. So let's tell I want to update to do Django 123. Let's tell s, and let's tell update to do. So see, I am getting an error here. It is getting 404 bad request. That means basically it is not giving, it is getting the error at my API key. When I'm just working with an API key, I'm getting an error over here. So here I'm getting an error. So in the edit API /to-do/update to do, it will take ID. It is a put method. Headers has been done. Body is not complete. Everything is there. And here somewhere error has been getting. So what is the error I'm getting here is let me say what is the, see here thing, enter the title, the messages I am getting here. See, enter the title, enter the task. That means the values is not going to pass. So here the values are not getting passed. So that is what the thing is happening. Okay, just localhost 3000. So here basically the values are not getting passed over here. That is what the issue has been happening. So here let me check with what is the error. So what is the error? Let me check. Coming back to my add to do's. So sorry, the to do's item. So here whenever I update it, it is just telling to do, it should just change, and something I had missed or what. So to do's dot title. So whenever I click on to the button, so whenever I click on to this update button, so where is it? Here. Whenever I click on to the S, and it will just turn. Okay. So whenever I click on to the update to do, it is going to work with a handle click, right? So my handle click is giving me the error. It will just I'll just refresh. Okay, here I am just remove this e default. Okay, so because it is not refreshing, so I'll just remove. I'll just tell edit to do should go to the to do.id, and to do dot this one I need to just show like this. Next, what else I need to just do? I think okay, let me try whether this works or not. I think I need not to refresh. I need to just tell refresh it the page. So let's tell Django 1 and let's just tell Django 1. I'll just click onto the S and click onto the update. So I can see to do has been updated, but if I refresh the page, it is not working actually. So it is not working. If I just tell Django 1 and Django 1, I want to just tell no, yes, and if I right click and inspect, if I click on to the update to do, I'm getting here at the API call. So I'm getting at the API call. So it is telling to do state I'm having an error. So here I am getting an error, that is a title as well as the task is been not messaged, not passed properly. So this is the one thing is been happening. So it is till here everything is going actually, but the stuff is not going here. Let me try to do.id to.title task and complete. Let me try whether the data is coming or not. Okay, I will just do the particular console.log over here. Here this line I'll just pick it above. So again I'll just save it. Now I'll just tell again edit. I'll just tell Django 1 and here also 1. I'll just tell yes. Let's come back here. Now if I click on the you can see okay, undefined I'm getting. You can see I am getting an undefined values because you can see till here I'm getting here. This is how we can just access the particular stuff. So it is just telling I am getting an undefined values over here because it is not id, it is not a title. Here we need to just pass the e title because see here we are just using that name as a e complete, is a complete. So this is what the things when we do copy paste. So this some things goes wrong. I want to just tell e as well as a e. So even I want to just tell e title, e task as well as e is complete. Okay, so now I hope everything goes well. Let me save. Now coming back to over here, I refresh it. Now let's try. So now I will just tell here I want to just make it a Django 1, here I want to just make it Django 1 2 3, and also just tell yes. I'll just click on the update. So you can see everything is working fine. You can see all the to do is been working over here. Okay, so this is how this is how we can just see how we can just add the particular to dos we saw, and how we can just set the particular to do. Everything we have been seeing very easily in the very easy manner, and we have been saw like how exactly we can add it, and we can just add the operation, edit operation, all those things we have been done. So now you can see even if I delete operations also works before, because in my previous video only I have been set up, that is whenever I click on to the delete, todo.id should done and it should happen the delete operation. This delete is coming from the particular context. So basically it goes here and it will just delete it, and I'll be getting a message over here that is to do has been deleted. Okay, so all the things works fine. Now if I just try to add one more title, I'll just tell flask, I'll just tell flask login, I'll just tell add to do. So you can see when I add to do, when I just clicking on to the add to do, it is not coming over here. Actually it is not coming. If I refresh the page, then it is going to work. So something has been there. Here you see to-do.contact is not a function. So here I am getting an error. So to-do.contact is not a function. So basically I am getting an error at that point of time. So here how I can just how I can just set the particular to-do.contact. It is coming from where? To-do state, right? In the to-do state it has been getting over here. So in the to-do state is here. I'll just go back to my to-do state, that is a concat. So concat, right? To do okay. So to do dot state here been coming over here. So here I want to see where it has been concat has been used. So concat, the spelling is concat. So here I need to use the concat, that is a to do. Okay, so here you see I want to give it as a to do. Okay, not to do. So I need to just set this initial state. This I need to just set it, that is a to do's dot concat. Okay, so once I say, then all the things goes well. So now I will refresh it. So you can see all flask has been added. Now if I just tell node.js, now I think the error is gone. Node.js, and I'll just tell node man stack. If I just click on the add, you can see the node has been added. Now if I want to edit, I can just update it. I'll just tell node stack 1 2, and here I'll just give it yes, I completed this particular course. I'll just update it. So you can see even it has been clicked. Okay, so each and everything we saw how we can develop an good website using a M.E.R.N stack. We saw the authentication system, and we saw how we can log in, how we can do the sign up, and here we saw how we can create, update, read and delete operations we have been seeing, and we have been seeing how the use context as well as the node context node states works, and we have been saw a number of like use context and use state stuffs, how the API gets calls, almost a number of things we saw in the advanced level. Even you can see in the database also the data will be get changes. You can see node JSV, node min stack 1 2 3 4, even it works along with the database, okay, without having any errors. So you can see my fully fledged project is being developed, so each users can maintain their use data. Okay, so now you can see after login I can log in. If I just log in with ERK at gmail.com, ERK at gmail.com, if I just log in with my credentials, so I can see invalid, and let's just tell ANES. Okay, if I just tell ERK1, I think I don't know, I don't know what all the values. If I just tell Adi at gmail.com, now if I just tell here as a AAD, sorry, not Adi, ALEES, login it. So you see it has been login success, and you can see almost all the things, the particular data of the Adi is going to show. It is not showing the another data. Even I can just delete the operation. You can see if I just click on delete, the date to do is deleted, to do is deleted, and I can just update it. I'll just tell yes, it has been complete, baby doll. If I just update, you can see all the things is working. So I'll be providing the code in the description below. Just okay, I'll be not adding this node modules folders. So there will be no node modules folder. Just what you need to do, go cd backend and just enter npm install. So all the node modules will get installed from the package.json. Same thing you need to do it even in the front end. Just open the front end terminal. In the terminal, go to the cd to do app application and just enter npm install. Npm install will be doing what? It will be installing all the node modules. Then you can run this particular project inside your laptop. Okay, so all the things will work same as it is. Okay, so thank you guys for watching these amazing videos. We have been so much we have been like how we can do the CRUD operation, how you are creating a fully fledged project, and I'll be coming soon with the e-commerce website using the same M.E.R.N stack. This course, this particular project I'll be adding inside the same playlist. Thank you guys. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.